Your pasta sauce slides off the pasta, and this is exactly why. You see this happening, the sauce stays at the bottom of the plate. The pasta looks coated, but it actually isn't holding anything. This is where most people go wrong without even realizing it. They cook the pasta, drain it, and then add the sauce after. That one step ruins everything before flavor even starts. When you drain pasta, you remove the starch on the surface. That starch is what helps sauce stick properly. Without it, the sauce has nothing to hold on to. So it just slides away instead of coating the pasta. Restaurants never do this, and this is why their pasta is different. They always mix the pasta directly into the sauce, and they do it while the pasta is still hot. But there is another detail that changes everything. They add a small amount of pasta water into the sauce. That water is full of starch released during cooking. When it mixes with the sauce, it creates a natural binding effect. Now the sauce becomes thicker and sticks to the pasta. Instead of separating, everything comes together. This is what gives that creamy restaurant texture. Without cream, without extra ingredients, just technique and timing done correctly. Most people skip this step because they don't know it matters. But this is the real difference between average and restaurant pasta. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it anymore. The sauce doesn't just sit, it fully coats every piece. That is how flavor is built in every bite. Fix this, and your pasta changes immediately.